Welcome back to the Crash Course in Report Writing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking sample report using Microsoft Word. By the end of the video, you'll be able to compose this sample report as seen on the screen. Feel free to use any text you have because we're focusing on the report structure rather than its content. For this sample report, I choose this article from wikihow.com. Now let's get started.
First, page setup is A4 size. To add a built-in cover page, go to Insert, Cover Page. Add document titles, author, and date. The next section is Executive Summary. Apply Heading Style 1. Just copy and paste sample text from WikiHow. Then edit text, justified 1.5 line spacing, font size 12, first line indented. To start a new page, go to Layout, Breaks Page. The next section is Table of Contents. Just leave it there for now. Break page again. The meat of the report includes the introduction, separate sections, and conclusion. Add heading style 1 to headings and heading style 2 to subheadings. Let's just copy and paste sample text for the content. Edit text to make sure it's consistent throughout the report. Format Painter is a great tool. You can copy all of the formatting from one object and apply it to another one. The last section is references. To add footer with page number, go to Insert Footer. Add author and title. Finally, update table of contents. That's done. Now you try. See you in the next video. Bye.